I can insert a standard 3 view, a projected view, and an auxiliary view. Insert 3 view allows you to quickly place orthographic front, right, and top views on the sheet. By default, the front view is placed as the parent for the other projected views. You can tell it's the parent because it's the only view with orientation options. As with any parent view, I can select different orientations on which to base the projected views. When I do so, SOLIDWORKS displays a dialog letting me know that the dependent views will be affected by the change. I'll go ahead and click OK to illustrate. Now that I've placed my views, I'd like to increase their scale so that I can see model details a bit better. There are two basic ways to do this. I can access the sheet properties and enter the scale I'd like to use for all my drawing views. Or I can select views individually and pick one of the standard scales from the drop-down in the Property Manager. I can also define a custom scale from here if I'd like. Note how the child views updates along with the parent view. If I want to change a child view scale to something different from the parent scale, I can simply select the view and toggle the Sheet or Custom Scale option. Now what if I wanted to change the default placement of standard views when creating a drawing? To do this, I'll have to access the sheet properties again. This can be done by right-clicking on any blank part of the sheet or on the sheet listing in the Feature Manager. Under Type of Projection, I can select either First Angle, where the default front view is displayed at the upper left and the other two views are the top and left views, or Third Angle, where the front view is displayed at the lower left and the other two views are the top and right views. I prefer Third Angle Projection, so I'll toggle the option and click OK. Note how the projected views flip when I accept the change. Next, I'll go ahead and switch the parent view back to front and reorganize my views a bit to show the auxiliary view command. When I activate the command, SOLIDWORKS prompts me to select a reference edge from an existing view on which to base the auxiliary view. I'll select this angled edge for the reference, and then click to place the view. As you can see, a labeled reference arrow is inserted along with the view. I can resize the arrow by dragging the control points at either arrowhead, and move it by dragging the central control point. Double-clicking the point flips the arrow direction, which I can also do from the Property Manager. If I want to change the arrow label, I can type a new label in the field. The Projected View command works just as you've seen when inserting model views. Activate the command to project views from any existing view on the sheet.